Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to make Chinese style green beans. This Chinese green beans recipe tastes just like what you'll find at your favorite Chinese restaurant. Guys, I'm telling you, all the dishes that we made, they taste amazing. I love the simplicity of this dish, guys. You just only need green beans, garlic salt, oil to fry, and that's it. Or if you like a little spice, you can add red pepper flakes to your green beans and you are ready to go. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. This recipe works best with fresh green beans, so do not use frozen green beans, guys. So with today's recipe, I'm using green beans, guys. They're packaged, not frozen. First things first, we're gonna rinse the green beans thoroughly. Then we're gonna spread the green beans over a large baking sheet lined with paper towels or clean kitchen towel to remove all the moisture. Remember, we are going to fry this. We don't want any moisture on them, otherwise they will cause a lot of splatter when you fry them in hot oil. Once the green beans are dry, we're gonna head to the stove. Heat about 1 cup of oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil starts sizzling, add the green beans in batches to the pan and fry, stirring occasionally. These green beans only need 1 or 2 minutes of frying until the skin starts to wrinkle. You don't want to fry them for too long because the beans will lose the crisp in the center and turn mushy. As soon as the skins start to wrinkle and have blisters, we're gonna remove the green beans and place them on a plate lined with paper towels. Continue with the rest of the green beans until you flash fry them. Now we're gonna go ahead, add 1 teaspoon of oil in wok and minced garlic and cook it until it's nice and fragrant. This should take about 30 seconds. Add the green beans back to the wok along with garlic salt. Stir to combine. If you like a little spice, now it's time to add red pepper flakes to your green beans. These green beans, the centers are tender and outside is lightly crisp, flavorful and tasty. This is a simple and tasty recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Transfer the green beans to a serving plate and enjoy. I hope you'll try this recipe. I know you'll love it, guys. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Please consider subscribing, like the video, share it with your friends, and hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.